Hey, non-measuring chef. What are you doing?
Cooking lamb something.
Lamb something. Onion, capsicum, zucchini, carrot, all diced up.
Onion.
What are you going to make with that?
Lamb something.
Lamb something. And what sort of lamb is it?
Oh, it's a lovely lamb. Little fillet there, sliced up into small steaks.
Oh yeah.
Pan it off in the pan.
Yeah.
Make a nice sauce with all the veggies.
Sounds good. Sounds good. Can't wait to see it and taste it. So the carrots are being cut into
Julienne style carrots.
julienne style. Onions quartered.
Sliced.
Rough.
Yes, nothing the same. Them enough to go. Mind the fingers.
Mmm. So why do you cut the white stuff off?
I don't know. You want to eat it?
Nah, it's bitter.
You have to clean them nice. Make sure there's no seeds in them.
Because your grandmother told you if you ate the seeds, they sprout
Grow
inside.
in your belly.
Grow in your belly, yes. Mm-hmm. Oldie but a goodie. It's a bit like eating the seeds of an apple.
Or slice it.
Slice it. You've done everything else to slice. Probably only need one zucchini.
Yeah, probably.
Top and tail them, yeah?
Round ones?
No long ones.
Long skinny ones.
Yeah. Go with the theme.
The same.
Well,
Great.
you started the theme, not me. So you're going to use fresh garlic, bottled garlic, or the garlic we have in the with the oil we store up.
Probably a bit of oil in.
There you go.
A bit of the oil to cook the meat off in. Minced garlic to the onion.
Sounds great. Plain flour and rosemary mixed into it. Some Cheats gravy made from chef's gravy. You mix up about a cup. We've got some chopped up mushrooms, chopped up garlic. We're going to do a sweet potato, fry the lamb off, all in the bowl in the oven for about an hour. It's a lamb casserole, stew. Sounds good. Should taste unbelievable. We've got garlic. Now this is just garlic that we've buy in a tin bottle. Olive oil in a pan, hot. We're going to add onion. So the lamb's in, coated, full whack. We're going to fry it off, get a nice brown. And the garlic and oil. Let me tell you now, it smells unbelievable. looking a bit dry, which it might be at the moment. Might have to put a bit more oil in. So where do you put the sweet potato?
In the pot with...
On top or on the bottom?
In it. Just got to peel it and cut it. Won't do a matter, I'll peel it. Well,
You want this beer open? Number 3, you had one when I walked down here.
you've been down 10 minutes.
Fuck, what are you guzzling? Give it up drinking. Funny tonight, honey. All right, so what are you doing with this?
When they're done, they go in the pot.
You think they're brown enough? Yeah? That one's probably not. The other one that turned down the fucking heat. I've turned it back up. No, that's down.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, you turned it
I
down.
thought I turned it up.
No, I turned it up.
Right.
You're going to need oil in this. We've got the lamb in the Pyrex, some more oil in the frying pan, onion, garlic. This won't take long. The leftover flour that's in the pan, all the nice crispy bits from left over from the lamb. Yum yum. Look at that. Mushrooms are going in. There's probably half a dozen chopped up button mushrooms. Mushrooms are starting to get some colour on them. The onions have soaked up all the oil and flour that's been left over. So that's browned off very nicely. Go on to the lamb that's in the bowl. So carrots on top. And we haven't cooked the carrots or the capsicum or the zucchini off. It's going in on top because we're going to put liquid on top and in the oven. And the sweet potato on top of that. Right, so put the leftover flour on the top, pour the liquid in over the top. This is just Cheats gravy. So we've made up another bit more extra stock because we didn't think that there was enough stock. And you could see when you put it in that it's barely making the anything wet. So into a heated oven, 200 degrees, 400 Fahrenheit, whichever way you want to rock and roll, and for about an hour. Check it, you know. Just remember. Oh, look at this. So that's been hour and 20. It is smelling good. Yeah, look at that. So the potatoes are nice and soft. The meat, tender as. It's got a nice, it looks lovely. All the veggies are cooked. All it needs is a nice taste test. Happening right now. So how's that taste, Chef?
Yeah.
Yum, yum. All right, dinner time. This is easy, simple. Lamb rump steak, one pot. And I'm the one that's having the plate because I'm old school. And the other crazy chef has a bowl. Oh, look at that. That looks lovely. That looks sensational. Bit of homemade bread. We'll just have it as it is. And we have a loaf of homemade bread made from a bread maker. And why not? That was sensational dinner. Bare plates. A little bit left over, maybe for lunch tomorrow on some toast. Seriously sensational. Cheap, easy, fun to make, and a sensational dinner.